Welcome back to Repeat After Me, Imitating Session. I'm Laura, and today is day 3 of our English imitating session. First of all, wow, you've made it to day 3. 3 days of speaking practice means you're really building something. Not just English, but your confidence, your voice, and your ability to communicate. Today, we're going to focus on something super practical. Talking about your daily routines. Why? Because every single day, you do things that you can talk about in English. You wake up, eat, go to work or school, exercise, cook, relax, and more. If you can talk about your day, you can connect with people, answer questions, and sound natural. Talking about routines is simple, but it's powerful. You don't need long, complicated sentences. Just clear, natural phrases that native speakers use all the time. Here's how we'll practice. I'll say each sentence slowly, twice or 3 times. You repeat it with your voice. Don't just whisper. Use your real voice. Imagine these sentences in your life, like you're talking to a friend about your day. Ready? Let's go. Set 1 simple daily routine sentences. I wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I eat breakfast every morning. I eat breakfast every morning. I eat breakfast every morning. I go to work at 8 a.m. I go to work at 8 a.m. I go to work at 8 a.m. I take a short walk after lunch. I take a short walk after lunch. I take a short walk after lunch. I drink coffee in the morning. I drink coffee in the morning. I drink coffee in the morning. I study English every day. I study English every day. I study English every day. I cook dinner for my family. I cook dinner for my family. I cook dinner for my family. I watch TV or listen to music in the evening. I watch TV or listen to music in the evening. I watch TV or listen to music in the evening. I go to bed at 10 p.m. I go to bed at 10 p.m. I go to bed at 10 p.m. Fantastic. Set 1 complete. You're sounding like a natural English speaker already. Set 2. Talking about your week. I usually go grocery shopping on Saturdays. I usually go grocery shopping on Saturdays. I usually go grocery shopping on Saturdays. I meet my friends on Fridays. I meet my friends on Fridays. I meet my friends on Fridays. I exercise 3 times a week. I exercise 3 times a week. I exercise 3 times a week. I clean my room every Sunday. I clean my room every Sunday. I clean my room every Sunday. I cook new recipes on weekends. I cook new recipes on weekends. I cook new recipes on weekends. I visit my family once a month. I visit my family once a month. I visit my family once a month. I read books before I go to sleep. I read books before I go to sleep. I read books before I go to sleep. I listen to podcasts while commuting. I listen to podcasts while commuting. I listen to podcasts while commuting. I practice English for 30 minutes every day. I practice English for 30 minutes every day. I practice English for 30 minutes every day. I relax and enjoy my free time in the evenings. I relax and enjoy my free time in the evenings. I relax and enjoy my free time in the evenings. Excellent. Set 2 complete. You're speaking confidently and naturally. Set 3, daily habits and preferences. I like to drink tea in the morning. I like to drink tea in the morning. I like to drink tea in the morning. I prefer to exercise in the evening. I prefer to exercise in the evening. I prefer to exercise in the evening. I enjoy listening to music while I work. I enjoy listening to music while I work. I enjoy listening to music while I work. I try to go to bed early. I try to go to bed early. I try to go to bed early. I like to plan my day in the morning. I like to plan my day in the morning. I like to plan my day in the morning. I always make a to-do list. I always make a to-do list. I always make a to-do list. I like to take short breaks while working. I like to take short breaks while working. I like to take short breaks while working. I enjoy cooking healthy meals. I enjoy cooking healthy meals. I enjoy cooking healthy meals. I try to drink more water every day. I try to drink more water every day. I try to drink more water every day. I feel happier when I follow my daily routine. I feel happier when I follow my daily routine. I feel happier when I follow my daily routine. Fantastic! You've just completed set 3 and practiced advanced sentences that will make your English sound confident and natural. Take a moment to say each sentence out loud one more time and feel proud of the progress you're making. All right, before you finish today's session, I have a little challenge for you. Pick 2 sentences from today's practice. Use them out loud at least 3 times during your day. Talk about your morning routine, your favorite habits, or what you usually do in a week. You can tell a friend, speak in front of the mirror, or even whisper to yourself while walking. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about speaking and making English a natural part of your life. Keep practicing, and you'll notice your speaking getting stronger every single day. You're doing amazing. Day 3 is complete. See you tomorrow for day 4, where we'll practice talking about hobbies and free time.